about the shoe and post some clips, and then I'm done.
So about what time are you gonna finish?
20 minutes.
You gonna let me use your forge?
Of course. Anything for you, Aubrey.
Yay. Hi, Lindsay. How are you? Where's blinker fluid? His forge is never empty.
I think went in to go eat.
What a slacker! I cannot believe this. We got Lindsay, Banjo, Fix-It. Everyone is in their spots. But where is blinker fluid?
I did apologize to my husband, James, because last time I told him I wasn't coming home. But I am coming home. And I miss him. Put me behind.
That just now?
Huh?
Just now. That's awesome, huh?
Like it?
That's huge improvement.
We're doing it. Should we do snow angel?
Yeah!
Oh, hell no, I'm gonna do a snow angel. I'll do. Oh, this is weird snow.
Yeah, it's good snow.
It's good for snowball fights.
Yes.
This is not fair. The camera lady is off limits.
Snow is so hard. My hands are so cold.
It hurts. The camera lady is off limits.
I'm like...